Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily TSLA report for Wednesday, April 29th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I'll start with the big picture, as always. 342.95, base of longer-term support. We actually expected it a couple of months earlier when we settled below its sister formation at 437.58. And now that we reached that objective about 4 weeks ago this Friday, we are now anticipating, have been, 437.58 as a 2 to 3 month upside objective. There is a formation dropping weekly that got in the way of that recently. 398.25 is a level that can contain weekly highs, but I think closing above 398.25 should be considered an eventuality, possibly over the next couple of weeks. And if so, that presents a 2 to 3 week buy signal to 437.58. where we could top out through the month of May, through the month of June, and fall away again. As I've been saying, we could trade inside of this band of support resistance for the next few months. Holding below 398.25 will keep 342.95 in play. And I don't mean as an objective. It just allows for that possibility. And inside of that, we do have, let me find the correct chart here. We've got 364.76. That's a level that we tested on Monday and came off of nicely. We'd mentioned that as a level that could contain daily selling pressures and one that you could pursue as a 3 to 5 day swing trade back to the upside, potentially to 398.25. We're 2 days into this test, so yes, we could see 398.25 over the next several days. If we close today, for instance, above 376.21, which is a short-term descending channel top, I think within a couple of days, 2 to 3 days, we reach 398.25. That would be a 3 to 5 day swing trade, going long above 376.21, holding out for 398.25, taking profits at 398.25, and if you like, playing the short side back down to, well, the 364.76 level, perhaps within a full week of trade, and quite possibly all the way south to 342.95, which is that longer-term channel bottom that we tested 3 or 4 weeks ago. If, once again, we can close above 398.25, and I do want to see that on a weekly basis. I don't expect that this Friday, but who knows? If we do, once again, 437.58, a 2 to 3 week target with a slight spike in volatility where we could top out by that point in time through the month of June and fall away. Downside, let's get back to this chart, that if we do close below 364.76, if you went long at 364.76, reverse and go short would be my suggestion. And I'm really talking to 3 to 5 day swing traders here, because if we do settle below 364.76, you can anticipate a retest of the 342.95 formation within a matter of 3 to 5 days, where once again we could bottom out not only through May, but even through the third quarter and continue higher from here. This 437 rises into 440s in May and 450s in June, and so it's more than a 437 possibility. It takes us into the 440s, 450s over the next couple of months. The last thing I'm going to say, which is not going to happen today, and I certainly don't expect it to happen this week, but if we were to close below the 342.95 channel bottom, that would need to be, by the way, by a 1% margin. That is 339.52 or lower on Friday. That would set off a 3 to 5 month sell signal. We would then expect 224.94 over the following 3 to 5 months, but we are not there right now. I'm just giving you the what-if scenario. Where we are now is having tested longer-term support at 342.95, 437.58, and even higher in reach over the next several months. That becomes a clear-cut 2 to 3 week target if we can close above 398.25, and that is dropping about 5 or 6 points a week. It'll be in the low 390s next week, etc., etc. Is there anything I haven't covered? I will say for the day itself, holding below 376.21 will keep 364.76 in reach again today. If we do open above 376.21, I see that as a kind of a bullish framework for the day. I don't know how high we can go. Yesterday's high was 382.29, at least that high, and probably higher. 391.51 wouldn't surprise me, but As I say, closing today above 376.21. Within several days, expect 398.25, where we can tap out through next week and fall away again into the 340s within several weeks.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
I think that pretty much rounds it out. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com, where you'll see your daily NVIDIA report, your daily SPY, daily Triple Q, a couple stock picks a week. There's a lot of good information that we provide for, I think, a very reasonable price. And you can see it all for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 2-week free trial. Of course, I'll be back tomorrow with Thursday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.